Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a zip file in Android. So it will be really simple and easy. First of all, what you have to do is open your Play Store or App Store depending on your device, and then in the search bar, you have to search for this CX File Explorer. You have to download this application here. So just simply tap on this install and wait for it to download this. So after installing, just simply tap on this open here and you will see this kind of interface. Just simply go for next, allow the permissions and tap on this next again. Now you will see these options here, local, library and network. So just go for this local and tap on this main storage. So let's say I am in my download folders. Now you have to select your files like this one and this one as well. There are three files I have selected. I want to make them zip file. So what you can do is tap on these three dots or more and you can see this option here, compress. Just simply tap on this compress. You can change the name as well. Let's say I'm going for this zip here and then just simply click on this OK. And now our zip file has been ready. If you scroll all the way down, you will see your zip file here. So that's pretty much it for this video. That's how to create a zip file in Android. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.